Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class, we learnt about the various methods of absorption of overheads. In that, one of the method is machine hour rate. So in today's class, we are going to learn how to calculate the machine hour rate. So before that, what is the meaning of machine hour rate? It means the cost of using a machine for 1 hour. So it helps to find out how much it costs to run a machine. Clear? So how we need to calculate the machine hour rate? Total machine expenses means all the expenses or cost that is related to machine divided by total machine hours means number of hours the machine is expected to be used. Clear? So here the total machine expenses, they are made up of two main types of cost. There are mainly two types of cost. They are fixed expenses or standing charges and variable or running expenses. So let's discuss about one by one. In that first one is fixed expenses. Fixed expenses, it means what? It means they remain the same, right? They do not change with the number of machine hours. They remains the same. So for example, rate and taxes. And these fixed expenses we need to apportion on the basis of area in square feet. While calculating the machine hour rate, we need to apportion both fixed expenses and variable expenses. And heating and lighting, that is on the basis of area or number of light points. And supervision, that is on the basis of time spent on each machine. And lubricating oil and consumable stores, that is on the basis of past experience, capital value or machine hours. Past experience means that is based on how much oil and materials used in the past. And next one is miscellaneous expenses. It means it is on the basis of on appropriated basis, means depending on the nature of expenses. Clear? So this is about fixed expenses. Now let's see variable or running expenses. Variable expenses, it means what? It means this cost changes, that is based on how much the machine is used. Fixed expenses, they do not change, but variable expenses, these cost changes. See, for example, depreciation. We need to apportion on the basis of cost of the machine plus installation cost, and if there is scrap value, we need to deduct it. And next one is power. That is on the basis of meter reading or based on past consumption. Clear? And next one, third one is repairs. That is on the basis of actual expenses incurred during the machine's life. And in calculating the machine hour rate, fixed and variable expenses we need to apportion on the basis of some basis, right? And in the problem, or there are some direct expenses, means they are specifically incurred for a machine. We need to assign directly. These expenses we need to assign directly. We need not to apportion. Clear? Now see, let's solve one problem. See here, compute machine hour rate from the following data. Cost of the machine, how much? That is rupees 2 lakh. And installation charges rupees 20,000. And estimated scrap value after the expiry of 15 years, that is rupees 10,000. Means here, this is the value of depreciation. We need to calculate. This is the variable expenses. Next one, rent. Rent for the shop per month rupees 400, but we need to convert it into annually, right? Next one is general lighting. For the shop per month 600, and insurance for the machine per annum 1920. Now so these all are fixed expenses. Next one, repairs 2000. This is variable expenses. See, repairs, that is given directly. Insurance also, that is given directly, right? Next one, power. That is power consumption for 10 units per hour. And rate of power for 100 units, how much? That is rupees 40. And estimated working hours 2000 hours. And shop supervisor salary 1200 per month. Again, this is fixed expenses per month. Means we need to convert it into annually. Next one is the machine occupies 1/4 of the total area of the shop, and the supervisor devotes 1/3 of his time for this machine. So these both informations are very important to apportion. Clear? For rent and general lighting, we need to apportion on the basis of area, and supervisor salary, here we need to apportion on the basis of 1/3 of his time for the machine. Clear? So let's solve the problem. Before that, we have to do some working notes, right? First, we have to do for fixed expenses. Here fixed expenses, that is rent, that is per month. How much? That is rupees 400. We need annual rent, right? So 400 into 12, 12 means 12 months, that is rupees 4800. Now that is we need to apportion on the basis of area, means 1/4 of the area of the shop. So 4800 into 1/4, apportion to machine, that is rupees 1200. Clear? And next one, here write down 1200. Shop rent 1200. Fixed expenses 1200. Now next one is shop lighting. That is how much? That is rupees 600. See here, general lighting rupees 600 per month. We need annual cost, that is rupees 7200, and we need to apportion to the machine on the basis of area, means 1/4 of 7200 is rupees 1800. So write down shop lighting 1800. Next one is supervisor salary, that is 1200 per month, and we need annual salary, that is equals to rupees 14,400, and we need to supervisor denotes 1/3 of time to this machine, means 1/3 of 14,400 equals to rupees 4,800. Write down supervisor salary 4,800. And there is one more fixed expenses, that is insurance, that is given directly, that is rupees 1920. Write down 1920 and total it. So it becomes 9720. Clear? Till here it is clear, right? Now running charges or variable expenses. In that first one is depreciation. How we need to calculate the depreciation? That is cost of the machine 2 lakh plus installation cost 20,000, C minus scrap value 10,000 and life 15 years, means that is equals to 14,000. Write down depreciation 14,000. And repairs, that is given directly. See here, rupees 2,000. Write down 2,000. And next one is power. How now we need to calculate the power, right? So how we need to calculate? Here power consumption. How much? See the problem. Power consumption 10 units per hour. So write down 10 units per hour. And rate of power per 100 units. How much? Rate of power for 100 units is rupees 40. Rupees 40. And working hours per year 2000 hours. Right? Now this is the information given in the problem. First, we need to calculate the cost per unit or rate per unit. How we need to calculate? See, for 100 units, 40 rupees, right? For 1 unit, how much? Cross multiplication. 40 into 1 divided by 100 means that is equals to 0.4 per unit. For 1 unit, cost is rupees 0.40 per unit. Clear? Now, power cost per hour. This is cost per unit. Now power cost per hour. Here power consumption is 10 units per hour. So write down 10 units per hour into cost per unit. Just now we have calculated, right? That is 0.40. So 10 units into 0.40. How much? That is rupees 4 per hour. Rupees 4 per hour. Clear? I hope this is clear to you all. Now we need to calculate the annual power cost. How we need to calculate the annual power cost? Just rupees 4 per hour into 2000 hours, right? 2000 hours. So these are the hours per year, equals to rupees 8,000. Rupees 8,000 is our power cost. Clear? So write down here power, that is rupees 8,000. Clear? Now total it. 14,000 plus 2,000 plus 8,000. Total it is 24,000. So total it 9,720 plus 24,000 equals to 33,720, right? 33,720, that is our total machine expenses, 33,720. Now we need to calculate the machine hour rate per hour. What is the formula? Total machine expenses how much? 33,720 divided by total machine hours. Here total machine hours how much? That is 2000 hours. So machine hour rate per hour is 33,720 divided by 2000 equals to 16.86. 16.86. It is our machine hour rate. Clear? So I hope this problem is clear to you all. But you should be you are very careful while solving the fixed expenses and variable expenses. See here, power. This is somewhat tricky one in this problem. So be very careful. I hope this problem is clear to you all. If not, please leave a comment. Thank you.